What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and welcome back for another vlog. We're starting over here at Quaker Steak and Lube, and yeah, so we're gonna check out some cars here, but we got some other stuff to do today, so we're gonna be doing that. Let's go. Pretty clean 240. Pretty, I'd say, a pink Laurel we got here. You don't see too many of these. Well, that is interesting. Pretty awesome. Hey, it's Corey from Dank Squad. Whoa! Whoa! Sir! Sir! Oh, the famous Corey and Steve. What's up? He's got my name. That's how I know he's cool. We got a pretty decent lineup going on at this show. S15, the R32, the R34. I also am very partial to this WRX. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. That's Wangles right there. Wangles. Also, this Porsche is back. This thing is just beautiful. This is Porsche Dream Goals. What's up, buddy? You out here taking pictures? Get it done?
How you doing?
Wow, yeah. Wow. All right, hold on. Take. What's up, sir? All right, yeah, all right. Yeah. D. Floyd Images.
I like the new wheels, by the way.
Thank you. Pretty good crew going, but however, wifey's tired. And yeah, it looks like we're gonna get rained out fairly soon. So maybe time for a food vlog. Great. And it's raining. Sucks for them. What's up, guys? So it's the next morning. We're gonna be headed out in just a minute here to go to a S1 built JDM show. But first, unfortunately, the Skyline seems to kind of be falling apart on me lately. I mean, maybe that's what you get with old cars. But yeah, let me show you what I'm talking about before we get out of here. So I actually just cleaned her all up. She's looking pretty good, but couple things. So let's walk around this way here. Unfortunately, this just happened yesterday, and the other one I just noticed the other day. So just the other day, or just yesterday, actually I broke the vent clip. I don't know if you guys can really see that in there. But yeah, you know how this is basically supposed to move the fins side to side? Well, it no longer does that. I cracked the plastic piece right off, as I already have that piece cracked off. And I figured out that this one actually doesn't work either. So yeah, I broke that the other day. And then in the back seat here, don't mind all this stuff. In the back seat here, the this panel is loose. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, it's just kind of started flopping around. I think one of the oh, well, that's not good. I think the plastic clip broke on there. I messed around with it for like 10 minutes and I can't get it back to stay. It's not a huge deal or anything, but it's kind of annoying, especially when you're driving. It's flopping around. So, not too thrilled about that. I don't know how I can fix it. If any Skyline people are watching and want to give me a tip on how to fix that, or if you have an extra center vent for sale, just let me know. But yep, she's definitely an old girl, and you know, gotta expect these kind of things to happen. But we're gonna keep you the best we can, Skyline. Keep you together the best we can. And so I guess that's just kind of a follow-up to the last video I posted, you know, about what to expect with these cars, and that, you know, you can't be so shocked when little stuff like that happens. But without further ado, let's go check out some JDM classics. We're over here at Meetup V2, the JDM show. There's honey ready to give birth. We got a Supra, got a GTR, Type R, we got a Supra, the old Skyline, MR2 right-hand drive, S2000, CR, NSX, NSX, right-hand drive RX-7, right-hand drive Supra. It's lit. It's lit. Can I use that word now? It's lit. So which car would you guys take? Supra, Skyline, MR2, S2000, NSX. Which one? Comment down below, which car would you take? I don't know, I mean, I do like Skylines, but you know. You guys saw this Supra in a couple videos back. If you haven't, I'll post a link in the description below if you want to see me ripping in this thing first time. Pretty clean cars we got going for our meetup here. So this RX-7 here, it's also a right-hand drive and super clean.
I stick with the
super clean. Black?
No, Clash.
Clash? Oh yeah, it's plate.
Interesting plate.
Yeah, you guys remember Kevin.
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, it is pretty nice. It's pretty clean. I'd probably take this one. I think I would. Affinity? What is Affinity?
It has something to do with RX-7s.
Oh, no idea.
I don't know, that looks cool. It looks like if you squat down, you can see the top.
She's just getting her groceries like, what the hell? Everyone parked by me? Oh, she's got the 370Z? Oh my god, she's got the 370Z. When you're at a car meet in Florida and everyone is huddled under this tiny tree here, getting all the shade that they can because no one else is out there. Everyone is literally right here. Those Florida life problems. A pair of NSXs. So black or red? Black or red? The new wheels he put on this fit the car well. It's crazy how low these cars are. Very nice. You can see it in there. Show us how your little squirter works. Yeah. AC doesn't work that great, but it still works. But she got her little fan. Talk about cruising right by the water. Got some fishermen. Nice views. Got views on views. And a fan. But we got views. So we're at our final destination here, good old Bahama Breeze, kind of right on the ocean over here. Got Mario's car, super clean engine bay. I think you guys have seen this one around before. Everyone else is inside eating. However, now that the rain has stopped and it is sun shining out, the NSX is here, great view. We're actually going to be headed out to the beach here in just a minute. Just wanted to get one last look of all these cars. Which one of these cars would you guys take? I think it may have to be this black right-hand drive RX-7, but the NSX is a close second here, guys. So I think it's a good time to effectively end the vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna film too much at the beach or anything like that. But if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like squad, don't forget to do your thing. I think we're all good here for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you all on the next video. Peace.
For 4 hours trying to find somewhere to eat on Clearwater Beach, ladies and gentlemen. This guy.
Food vlog.